Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a hot minute since I filmed anything, but I am excited to be back not only to do a giant bathroom purge with you, but I am also doing a giant triple winner giveaway with a bunch of lovely ladies. The description box below is going to have all the rules and all the links to all the channels of the girls in the giveaway. This is a big one, but the prizes are amazing. So make sure you go and subscribe to everyone down below. The prizes that are a part of the giveaway are really fun. So you can win a AirPod Pro, a carpet scrubber, or an air fryer oven. You can also take the cash option if you'd like. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to all of us in the description box below and leave a comment with a heart emoji. There's also some bonus entries you can do as well. Anyways, good luck, and I'm excited to get into this video. So right now I am just organizing everything that was in that drawer. It basically was a giant mess and full of junk. I want to make it so that it's everything that's kind of accessible to my day, everything that I'm using on a regular basis, things that are easy to grab because it's the first drawer that's in the bathroom when you're standing there. And it wouldn't be one of my YouTube videos if my cat didn't make an appearance, so sorry about the view. So next thing I'm just gonna do is underneath the sink. It's kind of been a catch-all at this moment. I've just been kind of throwing everything under there. I do have a full pedicure and manicure set there. That's what's in the bowl, so not much I can really do with that side. Sorry again about my cat. But anyways, I am going to organize everything that was on the right, and my parents go on vacation every year. It has been postponed obviously the past couple years because of the pandemic, but I'm going to be putting a lot of things aside so that when they do go traveling again, there's going to be like a ton of toiletries and stuff like that that can go with them. This pink basket I literally packed up when we moved from our old place and with my parents, and I don't think I've really gone through it since. So I was kind of excited to pull out my makeup and go through that and organize it and kind of bring out some stuff that maybe I should be using more on a regular basis. And then I definitely had a lot of expired stuff and garbage in there as well.
back to my old hometown, picking up the years I leave behind. Getting in my car, I drive as memories fly by.
Now I'm just kind of putting everything back into a place, so I'm trying my best to organize everything and make sure that it looks neat and tidy and accessible. So I'm just going to go ahead now and work on the next few things and then get them back into the cupboards like I like them, but I will be rearranging how I'm doing this right now because some things weren't fitting right.
I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away? Moved a few times but ended up in Nashville. Tried to settle my restless soul. Got a job that felt like forever when I met you. You made me happy, we danced through the night. Life was music and I was your wife. Time flies and the years went by, still I tried. Oh, sweet memories of a town I loved, but oh, changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away? Went for the dream, but I got lost. This house I leave is nothing like us. Chased happiness, ended up on a one-way street. We're leading nowhere, that's why I leave. Past the creek where we used to swim.
So all of the toiletries that I want to get rid of, I'm actually going to pack up in a bag because when and if my parents ever go to Cuba on vacation again, they will take all of these products there and spread them off.
Now I've been away too long, I'm going home. Oh, sweet memories of a town I love, but oh, changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away? Sweet memories of the town I love, but oh, changed when you.
So I'm just going to show you the after of everything. I'm super happy with how it turned out. Don't forget to check out all the giveaway rules down below and enter. It's definitely an amazing one to check out. Yeah, have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and yeah, have a good one. Bye.
Always on my mind, you're the one.